It may say road closed right here, but I'm gonna pull a page out of Zero Enigma's book. Here's how this works. Or is there a way? Yeah, very carefully. All right. That's how that works. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Yeah, I was just crossing.
Okay, sounds good. I thought I looked like you were digging there for a minute.
Oh no, I was just trying to like do it very carefully.
Yeah, I understand. All right, man.
Yep.
Take care of yourself.
All right, drive safe.
You too.
Still recording. Yep. Since they're still yet to fix the road right there, replacing that huge monstrosity, and I walked over the new one. Yep. Here along Water Street. Yeah, a couple of them from Milford PD was questioning, but I handled it professionally. Anyways, yep, it's all up. That'll do it for this part. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.